Hello everyone, this is John from Western Maine Defensive Tactics. I'm on the range today just doing a little work on my own, and I thought I'd do a little off-the-cuff video on what I call my turnout bag. It's basically a tool bag that I keep the rig I have set up for my FN and some training stuff in. It's set up to grab and go in case I have to use the rifle or when I want to go to the range and train with the rifle, sorry. And what I've got in it is right here. I've got my rig, such as it is. Now this is a Condor rig, and like many people, I thought Condor was junk for a long time, and then I actually tried it. I've got maybe 50 bucks into this rig. It holds four 20-round mags from my FAL, my fall, and it holds 4 mags for my Glock 21. And right now I have it set up to go back out in the woods walking. These are 4 full 20-round mags. These are 4 full, I think they're 10-round. Yeah, these are the old cheesy 10-rounders from back in the 90s. I use these for training. And notice I have green tape for what I call my turnout mags, the mags that are full of duty ammo, FMJ, and blue for the other ones. These are plated bullets. They're my reloads. They're random, like CCI stuff, you know, just odds and ends of rounds that are good enough for training. Blue is the color of training. Green means go, right? So I have my blue mags for training. I have my green mags for go time. And this isn't much of a rig, but I actually like it because I can put it under a vest. I can put it under a sweatshirt. I can put it over a fleece or a sweatshirt in the wintertime. I can put it over a different layers like a fleece, but under a vest or under a coat in the wintertime to keep the snow and the rain off the mags. I actually like the style of rig pretty well. Is it the most efficient? No, it's not. But it's pretty secure. These are a pretty decent way of securing fall mags. I've worked with these pouches both with and without the tops, and I kind of like it. Bear in mind, there's quite a decent amount of this mag sticking out. What I've done is I took some of this blue foam material and just cut a couple pieces to put in the bottom of the pouch just to make that stick up just a little bit more, because they were sitting a little bit far down for my taste, but that's just me. And this is basically a dump pouch because I'm into retaining mags. Alright, so this goes in there. What else I have in there is I have 4 other blue marked empty mags ready to go to the range. And these are the ones that are problem children. I use the mags that are a little rougher. Well, they're not always rough. They're ones that aren't proven as far as reliability. I take those to the range. If I have a problem mag that, you know, double fees or doesn't lock back and does stuff like that, that's my range mag, because I want to have problems when I'm on the range. I want everything to go smooth when I use my stuff in the field. But on the range, some purposely induced problems are a good training tool. But these are blue for training, and I keep these empty because usually when I go to the range, I'll load a couple rounds, like 3 rounds for failure drills and then change mags, or I'll go load 2 rounds for double taps and then make myself change mags for another 2 rounds. I keep these empty because that's most of the time. They're mostly empty when I train with them on the range, and I don't have to strip my other set of mags to do that. And I don't really worry about those springs taking a set either. All right, what else I've got in here is my DSA brass catcher. And this I thought was a gimmick when it first came out, but this is the DSA mount that's been on this rifle shortly after I built it. And this thing is great. I can use it on the range at distance. I've used it doing CQB stuff just this afternoon, and it's, as long as you empty it, say every 25 or 30 rounds, it's fine. I've got some ammo in here. These are 20 or 25 round boxes of my Lake City reloads. I've got, there's another blue mag. There's a green mag, and so a couple more loaded mags just in case. I'm going to throw those right in the internal. This bag is pretty cool. It's got some internal side pockets in it that are pretty handy. And I've got some factory ammo and some Tula ammo and a little bug dope. some earplugs, and I think that's about it. I've got a little bit of cleaning gear on the weapon itself, but that's basically everything I have in here. I have weapons and ammo, and oh wait, some more 45. So when I go to the range, I'm all ready to train. Generally, I'll use, this is the Walmart stuff, or my own reloads, which is what I prefer. For the distance stuff, I'll use this for CQB because it's accurate enough. It's not bad ammo. I don't really like doing a lot of stuff with steel case ammo. This is, on the other hand, this is about $10 a box. This runs about 15, but this is good stuff. I like this. This is hits pretty hard, and it's pretty accurate in my guns. Coincides nicely with the 147 grain reloads I've been using for years and years. But anyway, what I like about this is just a mechanic's tool bag. It doesn't look like anything tactical. It just is a bag to sling around, and it's very, very tough. Tougher than just about everything else I've used. I have a variety of these bags for a variety of purposes, and this one I really, really like because it fits just what I need, and I can stuff a little bit extra in it without straining it too much, but it makes me choose carefully what I put in it, that sort of thing. But anyway, this is just how I'm doing it now. I've been using this particular bag. It replaced the old bag for quite a while. I like this because, hey, if you have pets like I do, you leave your rig hanging on a hook, it's going to get all cat hair or dog hair or whatever. It's just going to happen. This keeps everything clean and ready to go. All I have to do is, when I get back from the range today, I'm going to put a little bit more ammo in it, make everything ship-shape, put it back in. I'll probably hike out to the bog again tonight. I'll grab the rig out of it and hike. When I get back, I'll let it dry. I'll let the sweat dry off it a little bit, put it back in there, zip it back up, and it'll be ready to go out, throw in the truck, go back to the range, or for when the zombies rise, that sort of thing. But anyway, just an idea, and I have smaller ammo turnout bags available as well. But it's just an idea I wanted to share. You guys take care. Have a good one.